tandaan ninyo, hindi rin imposible. Dati kwento, pero ngayon nangyayari na. Dati, kami-kami lang. Ngayon, tayo-tayo na. Palakpakan natin!
We are so grateful and blessed, mga ka-royals, dahil ang mga leaders na ito ay handa kang samahan, turuan, at kailanman hindi ka iiwan hanggang hindi mo natutupad ang mga pangarap mo sa buhay.
The writing on the walls, my wake-up call. No better time to write it all. Let's cross the line into the night. One conversation, no hesitation. Lost in city lights, makes me feel.
Ngayong gabi, okay, nakita mo na yung negosyo na magpapayaman sa'yo. Yung negosyo na magbibigay sa'yo ng magandang buhay para sa mga anak mo, para sa pamilya mo.
Oh, here we go, moving past the typical, losing all control, systematic overload. Yeah, no need to wait, we're moving like a hurricane. I won't let it rain on our summer night parade. Up against the wall, your wake-up call. No better time to bet it all. Let's cross the line into the day. One conversation, weekday vacation. Lost in city lights, makes me feel electric. No one here can stop me. Lost with you tonight, feeling automatic. Oh, so cinematic.
Muling ibabandera, itatagumpay, at ikakaway-kaway ng Royals International. Ang bayan ng Pilipinas!
We can say na this year, 2024, Royals will dominate. Agree ba kayo doon? Sabay-sabay po tayo. We will dominate! Happy anniversary, mga ka-Royals. Salamat po.
Oh, here we go.